So we have lots of stuff to do today on the E30. We have to paint the rear bumper, we have to paint the front bumper, we have to paint the side trim pieces on the E30, we have to paint the side skirts. I'm not doing that yet until I mount them. We also have to remove the front headlights, and I already have the fog lights removed. We have to wet sand those. They're glass, so they're really not going to wet sand well, but we have to wet sand all that stuff to try and get the divots out of them because they're in really bad shape, and I don't want to buy new ones because they're really expensive. So those things to do, and it's already a billion degrees outside, and it's 10 o'clock. What time is it? I don't freaking know. So that's what we have to do. Let's go do it. Oh, we need this. Here we go. We need these. We also need to do this. Cheers. Hello. Everything takes 3 decades, so follow for part 2. See you guys.